few more problems. Now when there is a mixed fraction and you have to solve it, what you will do? First of all, you will convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. 14 into 36 plus 25 upon 36. This is the only way to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, that you multiply this whole part with the denominator and add numerator to it. When you will multiply 14 into 36, you will get 504. It will be equal to 529 upon 36. And we know that 529 is the square of 23 and 36 is the square of 6. So under the root 529 upon 36 is equal to 23 by 6. If you want to convert it in decimal, you can, otherwise you can leave over here. And if you don't remember the square root of 529, you can even find it out. 2 2s are 4, 1, 29, double of 2 is 4, now 4 3s are 12, so it will go on 3. You can check the multiplication. Is that clear? This solves our problem. Now see, this is also very easy problem. 3.61. You can find the root of 3.61 easily. 1 ones are 1, 2 will be left. Bring the next pair down, as we have bought the pair after decimal, so decimal will come here as well, 2. Now it will go on 9. 29 into 9. 9 9s are 81, 8 carry, 9 2s are 18 plus 8, 26. So you get the root of 3.61 as 1.9 and 2.25, you know it is 1.5 because 225 is the square of 15 and number of digits after the decimal becomes half. So it will be 1.5. Now substitute the value. 1.9 plus 1.5 upon 1.9 minus 1.5. Add them. 3.4 upon 0.4. And in the previous question, I told you that if number of digits after the decimal is same, then decimal get cancelled. It will be 34 by 4. It will be 17 by 2. And if you want to convert it in decimal, you can do it. It will be 8.5. 8.5 is our answer. That solves our problem. Now look at this problem. Only two numbers are involved in it, 2304 and 1764. But the thing is to be noted that the decimal places are not same. So what you will do? You will find the square root of 4 different numbers or only 2. The answer is only 2. Now let's see how we will do it. See, we will just find the root of 2304 and 1764. Now see, 23, 4 4s are 16, 7 will come. Bring the next pair down, 0 4. Double of 4, 8. Now in the table of 8, 70 will go on. 8 8s are 64. So it will be 704 only. Similarly, we will find the square root of 1764. 17. 4 4s are 61. Bring the next pair down. Double of 4 is 8. Now 8 2s are 16. So 2 will come over here. So we got the root of 2304 and 1764. Now I told you in previous modules that the number of digits in the square root are halved than the given number. So in the square root of this number, the number of digits after the decimal will be 2 half of 4. So under the root 0.2304 will be equal to 0.48. Similarly, in this, the number of digits after decimal in the square root of this number will be 2. So it will be 0.42. But in the case of denominator, there are only 2 places after the decimal. So half of 2 will be 1. That means there will be only 1 place after the decimal. That means 23.04 is equal to 4.8 and 17.64 is equal to 4.2. Now you can easily solve this problem. Just substitute the values. Add them. You will get 0.90 upon 9.0. Okay. So it will be 0.9 upon 9. Now you know that you can cancel the denominator. Okay, cancel them. 0.9 upon 9. It will be equal to 0.1. And the another way to do it, 9 by 9 into 10. Cancel 9 by 9, 1 by 10, that is equal to 0.1. This solves our problem and we get the answer as 0.1. So no need to find the square roots of each and every number separately. Just find the square root of the two numbers and write the values according to the